Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable Nsfw content on Reddit step by step. If you're over 18 and want to view communities and posts marked as not safe for work, you can enable this setting from your Reddit account. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Reddit website. Sign into your Reddit account if you haven't already. Once you're on the Reddit homepage, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. In the Settings page, click on the Preferences tab. Scroll down until you find the Content section. Look for the option labeled Show Mature 18+ Content. Click the toggle to turn this option on. If prompted, confirm that you are at least 18 years old. Next, you can also enable Blur Mature Images and Media if you want Nsfw images and media to remain blurred while browsing. Or turn this option off if you want mature images and videos to display without being blurred. Once you've chosen your preferred settings, your changes will be saved automatically. You can now browse Reddit and view communities and posts marked as Nsfw, provided they are available in your region and your account meets Reddit's requirements. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Nsfw content on Reddit. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Reddit tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.